Here's the 56 BelAir prior to tear down for a new spec chassis from the Roadster Shop. I'll be keeping the LS3 for L60. Paint job is what, 24 years old about?
24 years old.
Looking pretty good for that long, but got a few little boogers here and there. Have the back seat out to access the body points. You don't remember how many miles are on it right now?
No. About 8,900.
8,900. Here's the spec chassis from Roadster Shop for the 56 BelAir. Right before we get going here, it's all assembled, powder coated. Just got a temporary wheel we had on our all-wheel drive Ford 500 just to roll it around on. But Roadster Shop appears to have done a really nice job on it. Got a nodular 9-inch here with 3 gears. A nice highway cruiser.